PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student Bharat. He got placed in a company. He is going to share experience about PySpiders Rajajinagar.
Myself, Bharat Kumar. I joined on this September month, and my trainer is Kesha sir and Alex sir. And my everyday there is a everyday on boot camp and presentation. It is helpful for me both very much. And every month there have a mock interview, and there are grooming section is there every day. And I placed on December month, and the PySpiders is very good for every day for every person, because the trainer is so good. All trainers are very much so good. That's much.
Okay. Wish him all the best for further career.